Alright, here she is. 2001 Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee Limited. I guess the Limited was leather and sunroof and stuff because it is loaded for its year. It has a scrape right here, as you can see. I polished the headlights. I done a video of it. It should be on there. And this is it. It has some scuffs and some dings and such. The interior is fairly decent for its age and miles. The passenger seat's the worst place in the interior. It's got some scratches and dings along the doors where it's been opened up. It could actually use back tires. The front tires are really good though. Everything works on it. The air, heat. It has a tow package. It's actually a rather clean little Jeep. It has a 4.7 V8 in it. I'm not quite sure of the horsepower, but that's what it has in it. We'll walk around and start it here in a minute. It runs out and drives great though, really, for what it is and the miles. I think it's got like 237 on miles. All the glass is good in it. It's got some places on the hood, but I mean, it is almost a 20-year-old Jeep, so I'm sure it's had some rough times. Let's see if it'll start without getting in it. Well, yeah. Doesn't smoke. The motor doesn't rattle or anything. Sounds like a Dodge. So let's just see. It actually drives pretty good. Now she's quieting down. So what do y'all think? Is it worth $2,800? Comment below and let me know if you think it's worth $2,800. And if the person below can comment and guess what I gave for it with the sale fee, I'll give them 25 bucks. Exact amount. So guess the price of what I gave for the Jeep and I'll give you 25 bucks.